Hello everyone and welcome. We are drawing a sunflower today. Sunflower is a composite flower in which each petal is a complete flower on its own and is called a floret, which has 5 fused petals. There are 2 kinds of floret. Ray floret, in which one of the fused petals is longer, and disc florets, which are circular, uniform, placed on the central disc. I am mainly using the scumbling method of shading, in which we create tones or values by drawing tiny overlapping circles. Let's start. We'll start with a circle and a central disc. Now I am adding another circle or a guiding line for placing the petals. You can see that the upper area is bigger than the lower area because the petals in the lower area are raised and they look smaller. We have to keep the structure of sunflower in mind, just a general idea, because we need not be too precise, because we are not doing a botany diagram. Just a general idea we have to keep in mind, that's all. Drawing the leaves. Drawing the petal lines to the florets. Here we need not add 5 petals exactly to each floret. It's not required. Just a few indications are enough, and the upper layer of florets will have lighter lines because they are more exposed to light. Even the shading will be of a lower tone there. So let's start the shading. The lower layer of florets will have darker tones. I am using here the hatching method of shading, that's with parallel lines. And the closer we draw the lines, the darker the tones will be. I have discussed the hatching method in another video, which I will be adding to the end screen. Kindly look into it. We can also go on correcting the edges of the florets while shading. Now the scumbling method of shading. Here I am using tiny circles, and the first layer is very light. I am applying very light pressure. So we will be adding more overlapping circles for the next layer to create values or tones. Scumbling can be done by using circles or small ovals, or it can be scribble lines also. adding some dark values to the edges. More tones on the lower florets. Now I will be starting the leaves. So here also I am using the scumbling method only. Adding more pressure and overlapping circles for the darker tones. Ideally, we should hold the pencil closer to the tip while making darker tones, and so that it's easier to apply more pressure. And while creating lighter tones, it can be held far from the tip. This shading method is ideal for doing the leaves because it gives a sort of leathery texture and it looks quite natural. So this is all for today, friends. I hope you liked the video. We'll be back soon with another one. Thank you for watching.